So guys, here's how to build an easy helicopter. For some reason, some of my things don't stick. Like this, it's supposed to stick. Okay, so only now it sticks. Let me guys just try something. Okay, it wouldn't work. Okay, so what you guys want to do, have a fan, a box fan of course. If you didn't watch my other video, go watch that. If this part's confusing because I'm not showing anything right now. What you want to do, get a box fan, put a goop on the box part, on the little box thingy, place a box over, and then get another goop. Well, this isn't the same build right now. Why wouldn't anything work today? Like that. So, and then you want to grab an iPad. Let me like, whatever. So, you place the iPad like that, so you guys can see where you guys, of course, are going. By the way, guys, if you didn't see my short, I'm doing a giveaway for anything in the shop. This, that, literally anything. So yeah, and then this is the build. Grab it by the box fan to ride it, and then you've got your own little helicopter. It's a really good thing, very useful. This part, the flashlight, is optional for if you want to go mining or not. But yeah, it's a very cool helicopter. And then, of course, hope you guys enjoyed this video, and bye.